Hello, good people. This is Sherry with Sherika Originals, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. Today, I'm working with 16 gauge wire. I also have my flat nose pliers, my round nose pliers, and my cutters. In addition, I have a file that I'm going to use to file the wire. Okay, I'm cutting about two 12-inch pieces of the wire for my earrings, and I'm going to cut about 15 inches for my pendant. I had an interruption while I was making my video, and I forgot to turn my camera back on, so I don't have the video of me making the earrings. However, the pendant is made in with the same method. So here I'm preparing to make the pendant. I'm going to be making my bail first, so I'm using my round nose pliers to make my bail. And just as information, the bail is the part of the pendant that you will slide your cord through. So I'm wrapping my wire around 3 times for this bail section. As I said before, this is 16 gauge wire, and it's copper wire, and it's pretty sturdy, so I'm having to really use a little bit of strength to work with this wire. I'm more accustomed to working with the aluminum wire, which is a much softer wire. As you can see, I am bending the wire, but I'm using my round nose pliers to help me. So I'll hold the pliers, and then I bend the wire around the pliers to get the shape that I want. I usually have my plastic blocks that I would use to hammer this wire with. I don't have those, so I'm improvising by using two pieces of wood. I'm going to get my hammer and hammer this wire so that it could lay flat. Here's the finished project. I'm very happy with the way that it turned out. I probably will do this again and make it even longer. Use more wire and make the earrings longer and the pendant longer. Or I could add some beads or something to the bottom of the pendant. Anyway, there's lots of different things that I could do with this. All right, good people, this is Sherry, and you know the drill. Please give me a comment, subscribe if you haven't. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.